Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are guaranteed to all citizens. These rights are essential for the overall development of individuals and are protected by the judiciary. The fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, from Articles 12 to 35. They are justiciable, meaning that individuals can approach the courts for enforcement if their rights are violated. The fundamental rights are as follows. 1. Right to equality. Articles 14 to 18. Article 14 ensures equality before the law and equal protection of the laws to all individuals within the territory of India. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16 guarantees equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Article 18 abolishes titles, except for military or academic distinctions. 2. Right to freedom. Articles 19 to 22. Article 19 grants 6 freedoms to all citizens. 1. Freedom of speech and expression. 2. Freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms. 3. Freedom to form associations or unions. 4. Freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. 5. Freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. And 6. Freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business. Article 20 provides protection in respect of conviction for offences, offering protection against double jeopardy and self-incrimination. Article 21 guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. Article 21 provides the right to education for children between the ages of 6 and 14. Article 22 offers protection against arrest and detention in certain cases, including rights like being informed of the grounds of arrest and the right to consult a legal practitioner. 3. Right against exploitation. Articles 23 to 24. Article 23 prohibits human trafficking and forced labor. Article 24 prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in hazardous industries. Right to freedom of religion, covered under Articles 25 to 28. Article 25 guarantees freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice, and propagate religion. Article 26 grants freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 prohibits the state from compelling any individual to pay taxes for the promotion of any religion. And Article 28 prohibits religious instruction in educational institutions wholly maintained by the state. Cultural and educational rights are detailed in Articles 29 and 30. Article 29 protects the interests of minorities by allowing them to conserve their culture, language, and script. Article 30 grants minorities the right to establish and administer educational institutions. The right to constitutional remedies is enshrined in Article 32. This article provides the right to move the Supreme Court or High Courts for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar often called this article the heart and soul of the Constitution. These fundamental rights are subject to certain reasonable restrictions. The state can impose these restrictions in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, public order, decency, morality, or in relation to contempt of court, defamation, or incitement to an offence. However, these restrictions must be reasonable and not arbitrary.